Kama Ayurveda Sonobar Hair Cleanser. I was in a phase early summer this year when I loved citrus fragrances, and orange had become my favorite for quite some time. And I had picked up products from Sonobar range which had essential oils of cypress and orange, and this hair cleanser was like one of those products. Now let me quickly give you what I think about it. This cleanser is enriched with nourishing hibiscus and neem extracts, and orange essential oil acts as natural antibacterial agent and restores naturally healthy shine to hair. A herbal blend that naturally cleanses and nourishes and protects your hair with every wash. 55.5% natural, corrects oil and greasy hair, restores healthy shine, clarifies and stimulates scalp. Apply very small amount on wet hair and scalp and massage for a couple of minutes and then rinse it with water. You have to massage it to get it working properly. About the texture, it's a foaming hair cleanser that lathers easily and leaves your hair squeaky clean, and it's scented with woody citrus note. I love that, it smells like wine. Let's talk about main ingredients in the shampoo. Hibiscus, that is rich in antioxidants, helps in the damage caused by skin, the damage caused to the skin by UV rays, dust, pollutants, etc. It also has a hair growth property with antibacterial properties. Hibiscus has natural surfactant called saponin, also helps in cleansing. Second, neem. It purifies blood and it is antibacterial in neem. It also improves conditions such as dandruff, scalping, and hair loss and hair. This retails for 675 rupees for 200 ml of the product.